going boating.
Yep, we're going boating. We're on our way to Down South Airboat Tours to go out on an airboat.
Yeah, it's just going to be Janice and I and the captain on the airboat, so it'll be kind of a private affair. Sounds great.
Yep, we're going out for an hour and a half. We're going to be seeing the grasslands in the Everglades and the cypress canopy.
So come and hang out with us.
You're going to have to print your name,
Yep.
sign, print, and date.
Okay.
Okay, both of y'all. There's one for him, one for you.
Okay.
All right. My name is Captain Ron, y'all. Welcome to Down South Airboat Tours today. We're going to take y'all for an adventure.
Glad to be
We got
here.
an hour and a half of fun in store for us. Let's go see what we can see.
Sounds great.
much.
Loved having y'all.
Thank you.
Loved having y'all. Y'all come back.
We will.
Serious talk. Y'all, next time y'all are down here, come back and visit us. It'll be, you can ride this 100 times. You're going to see something different every time you go out on it. Every time.
That was so cool.
Springtime's nice to come down if y'all are ever down here. Of course, I know y'all probably won't be down in springtime. Y'all probably going to be visiting us in the winter. But, you know, I know how it is. Back up home up there with y'all in springtime. It's beautiful up there.
Yep.
Absolutely beautiful up in northern Canada.
So that was really, really cool.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun.
I can't say enough good things about this outfit.
Yeah.
Going just you and me on a boat
Yeah.
with the captain was like way better than anything we've done on airboats before.
We were out there for an hour and a half.
And a little bit longer.
And a little bit longer, and we went a little bit further, partly because it was his last tour, but also because we didn't get to see any gators in the area that they normally go to.
So he took us to some.
Yeah, and we saw tons of them.
So yeah, definitely recommend these guys. If you're down in the Everglades, check them out for sure.
Yeah.